student. Today we are going to learn the sixth topic, phrases. Phrases means a group of words which has some meaning but not shows the complete meaning is called a phrases. The phrases, the group of words has some meaning in the sentence but not shows the complete meaning. This group of words, such a group of word is called phrases. Choose the correct alternative to explain the underlined phrases. Sample questions. Suraj was inspired by the army officer's motivational speech and he made up his mind to join army. Suraj was inspired by the army officer's motivational speech and he made up his mind. He made up his mind to join the army. Options: decided, dedicated, devoted, devastated. Made of his mind means decided. The phrase to make up one's mind means to decide it firmly or to decide firmly. Other words do not convey relevant meaning. So option number 1 is the correct. Choose appropriate alternative to add to the following set of words. To be upset, to be disappointed, not in a good mood. Options: get, set, go, appointment, to be nervous, moody. See, the correct option is for this question is third one, that is not in a good mood. Choose appropriate alternative to add to the following set of words. That is not in a good mood. The expressions to be nervous is similar to the words given in the set. Other words do not match with the meaning. So third option is the correct. Choose appropriate phrases from the alternatives to describe the expressions seen in the picture. See the picture. First option, burst into laughter, laugh at, make fun of, smile. We can easily see in the picture, they are burst into laughter. The boy in the pictures is laughing a lot, that means sudden outburst of laughter. Burst into laughter is a phrase which describes the expression correctly. Other words convey different sets of meaning which are not related to the picture. So the option is first one is correct. Choose correct alternative. In our city, many organizations joined cleanliness drive. So our city is dash change. Provide with, afraid of, on the verge of, at a stroke of. The correct option is on the verge of. On the verge of conveys the meaning about to means something is going to happen in near future. So the correct option is on the verge of. See then, complete the slogan by choosing appropriate alternatives. Dash nature for your prosperous future. Take care of, look for, fascinated by, search for. The first option is the correct for take care of nature for your prosperous future. Take care of is the correct expression as it makes the slogan meaningful and convey message. It explains how we should treat nature. So the option first one is the correct. XYZ company no vacancy. This board conveys a message. Choose appropriate message from the alternatives. Alternatives, you will be provided with job. Don't ask for job. Be a part of our company. We are in need of capable candidate. The option second is the correct. Don't ask for job means XYZ company no vacancy means don't ask for job. Seventh, choose correct alternative to complete the verb. See, Mr. Kamble is a very good citizen. He is fond of dash. He is fond of following rules, reading, cleanliness. At the question mark, at that place, we have to choose the correct alternative. Corruption, cutting trees, pollution, cultivating trees. The fourth option is the correct. As Mr. Kamble is very good citizen, he must have all good qualities. Other three options do not indicate good qualities. So option number 4 is the correct option. Khandu is a newcomer in this class. He wants to dash with his classmate, make up his mind, make fun of, make this information, make friends. See, the fourth option is the correct, make friends. Make the information is not a proper phrase or word formation. Make fun of and make up his mind have different meaning which are not related with the given sentence. As Khandu is a new student, he wants to make friends with his classmate. He does not make meaningful sentence or it does not make meaningful sentence. So the option is fourth one is the correct. That is make friends. Khandu is a newcomer in this class. He wants to make friends with his classmate.